This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring IntelliJ and a compatible JDK are installed because they run your code. Next, add the Sqlite JDBC driver. This gives Java a bridge to the database file. Once done, create a new Java project and attach the JAR or add the maven/Gradle coordinate so the driver is on the class path. Make sure the project SDK is set. Then create a simple package and a main class to start writing the connection code. You will write the core connection logic now, and this is where correctness matters. Use the JDBC URL JDBC, Sqlite, your DB. DB pointing to your database file, relative paths are fine for quick tests. You can optionally call class, for name, org, Sqlite, JDBC, but driver manager. Get connection does the heavy lifting. Once connected, create statements or prepared statements, execute queries, and iterate result sets. Finally, use try with resources so connections and result sets close automatically, preventing locks. You're wrapping up by handling finalization and basic debugging steps. If you modify data, commit or rollback transactions explicitly so changes persist. Auto-commit defaults can surprise you. Make sure any UI or background threads finish before the JVM exits, otherwise open connections might remain. If problems appear, check the Sqlite file path and file system permissions, and confirm the driver JAR is on the runtime class path. If you still see errors, read the SQL exception message. It often tells you the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.